Today we are going to discuss on our next organism, Bacillus anthracis. Introduction. The genus originally included all rod-shaped bacteria but now comprises only large sporing gram-positive bacilli that form chains and will usually grow both aerobically and anaerobically. They are common environmental organisms and are frequently isolated in laboratories as contaminants of media and specimens. The most important pathogen is Bacillus anthracis, the causative agent of anthrax. Bacillus cereus may cause food poisoning. This is another species which is medically important. Anthrax is a zoonosis primarily recognized in domesticated animals like sheep, cattle, and goats. Human infection occurs accidentally through contact with infected animals or animal products. The disease is having some historical importance. We will check what are the historical importance of anthrax. Firstly, Robert Koch's works on anthrax showed that the causative organism could be isolated from the blood of infected animals, artificially grown in pure culture and used to reproduce the disease in animals, that is the Koch-Spo slates. This led to the development of the present method of isolation, identification of bacteria, and led to the formation of Koch-Spo slates. Another importance is it was the first pathogenic organism observed under microscope. It was the first pathogenic organism observed under microscope. First communicable disease shown to be transmitted by inoculation of infected blood. Okay, the first communicable disease shown to be transmitted by the inoculation of infected blood is anthrax. The first bacillus to be isolated in pure culture and shown to possess spores. That's also Bacillus anthracis. The first bacillus to be isolated in pure culture and shown to possess spores. Another importance is it was the first bacterium used for the preparation of attenuated vaccine. It was by Louis Pasteur, and the Pasteur showed that animals could be actively immunized by infecting them with cultures of Bacillus anthracis that had been attenuated by growth at 43 degrees Celsius. That is, the first attenuated vaccine prepared was from Bacillus anthracis. It was by Louis Pasteur. These are the historical importance of Bacillus anthracis and the disease. Then, what is anthrax? Anthrax is a disease in which the infection is transmitted by the spores of the bacillus. The spore is the main infectious agent of this infection, which are shed in large numbers in the terminal stage of infection. The infected animals shed the spores in huge numbers in the terminal stage of infection. The infection spread only from a dying or dead host, and the organism may survive for a long time in the environment in the form of spores. Then coming to its morphology, it is one of the largest pathogenic bacteria, measures 3 to 10 micrometer into 1 to 1.6 micrometer. It is one of the largest pathogenic bacteria. It is gram-positive and non-acid fast. The size is 3 to 10 micrometer into 1 to 1.6 micrometer. The organism occurs singly or in pairs or in short chains. The organism is non-motile. It is an exception. Except Bacillus anthracis, all species coming under Bacillus are motile. Our organism is non-motile. The organism is capsulated and the capsule composed of polymer of D-glutamic acid. The capsule is a polypeptide in nature. It contains the D polymer of D-glutamic acid. The entire chain is surrounded by the capsule. The capsule encloses the entire chain. And the capsules are not formed under normal conditions. only if the medium with bicarbonate or incubated under 10 to 20% carbon dioxide. That is, capsules are formed only when they are incubated under 10 to 25% carbon dioxide rich atmosphere, or when they are cultured on medium containing bicarbonate. Then bamboo stick appearance. What is the bamboo stick appearance? It is one of the important feature shown by Bacillus anthracis. It is in culture, the organisms are arranged end to end in long chains. The ends of the bacilli are truncated or often concave and swollen, presents a bamboo stick appearance. That is, in culture, the organisms appear like a bamboo stick because they appear like a sticks of bamboo. You can see the bamboo stick appearance in this picture. This is the characteristic feature of Bacillus anthracis. Then about the spores. They are spore forming organisms, and spores are formed in cultures or in soil but never in animal body during life. That is, during the life of the organism or the host organism, the bacilli never form spores. Spores are only formed when or during unfavorable conditions. Sporulation occurs under unfavorable condition and is encouraged by distilled water or 2% sodium chloride or growth in oxalate agar. And for the sporulation, oxygen is essential. The organism produce spores only in the presence of oxygen, and the spores are central, elliptical or oval in shape and are of the same width as the bacillary body. So when the spore is inside, it never causes the bulging of the bacilli. This is the picture of the spores. You can see the spores inside. It is having the same width as the bacillary body, so there is no bulging of the bacillary body. This is a stained cell. You can see the spores inside. The uncolored cells are structures are spores. You can see the chains of bacilli with the spores inside. The central, elliptical or oval spores which are having the same width as the bacillary body.